Beaver Stew Buddies, this is Fetter's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. One day when it slows down, I'm going to go fishing, and I'm going to find out if there's anything in here. But we have plenty to do, so that's a dream for another day. Maybe Sunday. Strawberries are starting to bloom. The people who lived here before us, they have blackberries and raspberries and blueberries and nice strawberry bed. So this is the garden spot they left me. Gonna put some raised beds in and put some landscape mulch or landscape fabric down, and mulch it real good and make it nice. I have a big centerpiece that I'm gonna put in with a flagpole, and hey, look at that herring, that gray herring. He was here flying around or fishing in the pond. So my main priority this week is getting our fencing situation figured out, getting our animals over, and then next week I think I'm gonna focus heavily on the garden stuff. I got raised beds to build, and mulch to haul and dirt to haul, and I have so much to do here. They have a nice in-ground bed. It's a little moist down on the bottom side towards the pond, so I'm really going to put raised beds in to get that up, get some good soil drainage in, and maybe we can have better luck than the last owners did. So now we're going to go fire up the old David Brown and see if we can get that thing cranked over. It was a little chilly last night. That thing's a little cold-blooded, so we'll see. Sometimes this tractor just needs a little help from some starting fluid. Here had horses and beef cattle, so he didn't really need gates in certain spots. I don't know why he didn't have a real gate out at the road. I don't care what animal it is, I wouldn't trust it with wire rope, not on this busy road in my opinion. Horses maybe, horses won't pressure a fence, but an Angus, it might. So we put up some temporary fence panels. Gates are hangish expensive. They didn't have any 16 footers at Tractor Supply that would I like the mesh bottoms, so the one place over here, the Amish hardware store, they have mesh bottoms, but they're $450 a piece. They're really heavy duty. They're last my lifetime, but dang it, that's $1,000 in gates. I'm spending enough money moving over here. So we're gonna do the old temporary cattle panels and zip ties and baler twine and T-posts and get it done. Okay guys, it's time to go to the glue factory. You'll be Elmer's glue by next week. See ya. I'm just kidding. They're not gonna go to the glue factory. Sarah would kill me. They're gonna go to their forever pasture. They're finally gonna have grass for the first time in a while. Winter, at least.
No, that's fine.
Ready, Oreo? Come on. Come on. Come on, Oreo. Here.
Are we just letting them go?
Yeah, as soon as I unclip them, go that way.
No. No.
Mavis, no. Oh, no. We definitely have some marshland here. It's quite wet. So a lot of my plans that I had are now gonna be different. So we'll have to figure it out. A buddy of mine over the weekend while we were moving bought me a set of manure forks at a sale for $100. Can't beat that. They're not quick attach. I have to convert them, but that's not that big of a deal neither. So that'll be a nice tool to have around the farm once we're up and running. Oh, we're back where we started this morning. The day just flew past. I didn't get near as much done as I want to. I'm gonna have to kick it into overdrive and get things done tomorrow. But we just ate supper. I might have some still in my beard. We're gonna go over to the old house and grab the horse trailer again and bring the cows over tonight yet. And maybe my big trailer will be loaded up with the huts. Bring that over and then that'll be it for the night. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get these cows on pasture and get after it tomorrow morning bright and early. Standing here at the pond, the beautiful pond. See you, love you, bye. They're definitely gonna run themselves out. Tell you what, it feels pretty darn good to have these guys on fresh grass.